12, Saint Luke.
Hoy, nalpas kayo lang ah.
If I speak in tongues, but do not have love, I am a resounding gong, a flashing cymbal. Zoom, 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 zoom. If I have prophecy, 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 if I have prophecy, 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 and comprehend all mysteries and knowledge, if I have all faith to move mountains, but do not have love, I am nothing. I am nothing.
I am nothing, nothing, nothing.
If I give away everything, everything, if I hand my body over, but do not have love, I gain nothing, nothing, nothing.
Matay, matangi. Noto mamaling na
Not jealous, not hopeless. We will rock you. We will rock you. It is not inflated. It is not rude. It does not seek its own interest. It is not quick-tempered. It does not run over injury. It does not rejoice over wrongdoing. It rejoices in the truth. 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 Bears on. Believes on. Hopes on. Endures on. Love never fades, for we know partially, and prophecy partially, but when the perfect comes, the partial will pass away.
When I was a child, I used to talk as a child, think as a child, reason as a child.
When I became a man, I put aside childish things. At present we see, indistinctly, as in a mirror, but then face to face. At present, no partially, no fully, as I am fully known, fully known, fully known. Kita ko magsasakto, kita ko magsasakto. Dong-dong ay si Dong Hilagin, sila si Dong Bahay ay sa Dong Bahay. So faith, hope, and love remain. Dong-dong ay si Dong Hilagin, sila si Dong Bahay. But the greatness of faith is love. Love. 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verses 1 to 13.